Cleaning kitchen jars can be a simple and effective task with the right approach. Start by gathering your supplies: warm water, liquid dish soap, and plain rice or coarse salt. Begin by adding a small amount of warm water to the jar, followed by a pinch of rice or salt and a drop of dish soap. Shake the jar vigorously to dislodge any stuck-on residue. The rice or salt acts as an abrasive, helping to scrub the interior surfaces. After shaking, pour out the mixture and refill the jar halfway with warm water. Shake again to remove any remaining gunk. If stubborn stains persist, you can repeat the process. For jars that previously held strong-smelling contents, consider adding baking soda or vinegar to neutralize odors. Let the mixture sit for a few hours before rinsing thoroughly. Finally, rinse the jars with warm water and allow them to air dry. This method not only cleans but also refreshes your jars, making them ready for reuse. With these easy steps, you can keep your kitchen jars sparkling clean and odor-free.